Once upon a time, there was a bird in the forest. Her name was Jasmine. Forest used to live many other animals. Once, the bird had gone to pick the grain. At the same time, there was a fire in the forest. All the animals started running here and there. When the bird comes after eating the grain, it seems that there is a fire in the forest. Oh my God, what is happening there? There is a fire in the forest. What? What do I do now? I do one thing. I bring water from the river that is near the forest and trying to put out the fire. Saying this, the bird brought water from the river and started trying to extinguish the fire in the forest. And she started doing this over and over again. All this was watching a bird sitting on a tree and say,
"What kind of foolish bird is this that is bringing water in its beak and trying to put out the fire?"
Saying this, the bird went to that bird and said,
"Hey Jasmine, what are you doing? Can such a forest fire be extinguished?" "Yeah, I know. It cannot be extinguished with this method. But I cannot sit still like this. I have to keep trying, and I will."
Saying this, the bird goes to get water. Here, the other bird says,
"Oh God, her mindset is so strong. I should support her too."
Saying this, the bird goes along with her to support. Now, both the birds brought water in their beaks and tried to put out the fire. Seeing all this, all the animals of the forest started supporting those two birds. Slowly, the forest fire was extinguished. Jasmine, because of your mindset, this forest fire has been extinguished. Thank you so much for your support.
It's alright, friends. We all are like a family, and this jungle is our home. So, we will have to take care of this by ourselves.
Yes, Jasmine, you are right. In the future, whenever something will happen like this, we all support each other. After this, that bird become everyone's favorite in the forest because of its mindset. So friends, strengthen your mindset and do any work with your heart. Your work will definitely be completed. And this was the moral of our story today. So, if you like this video, then like it, subscribe the channel and press bell icon so that you could get our next video. And please share the video with others. Thank you so much, guys.